Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I'm taking a look at this Epson EF-100 mini laser projector. So this thing is fully packed and ready to go. Pretty much it gets Android TV. Also it has a built-in speaker. You get the remotes. And this thing is 2000 lumens. So let's get right into it and take a closer look. So taking a look at the front of the projector here, it does come with a nice finish. Also we get the lens here, but unfortunately there's no cover there. So on the side here we do have the power source and some more vents here, and up here we do have the headphone input jack here, which is nice to see. That's an option there. So taking a look at the back here, we got the nice fabric cover here, and let's say I want to go ahead and remove this. It easily comes out, and right now we can see the Epson Android TV system here, which if you want to use another HDMI source, you can just like unplug this and plug your other source there, and when you're ready you can just go ahead and plug it back in. And here we do have the speaker as well, and also we got the remote sensor there as well. So taking a look at the top of the projector here, we do get the focus wheel and also the volume up and down, and the keystone adjustments as well here, and the power button there. And we also do get two remotes here. One of them you can see is more for the projector settings and like keystone adjustments and all those things here. And then one of them is primarily dedicated to the Google TV here, which is the Netflix, YouTube, Google Play here. It has those shortcuts, the volume, home button, back button. And we also have a microphone here, so you're definitely able to use the Google Assistant and all that stuff. Which is very nice. So looking at some of the specs of the Epson EF-100 mini laser projector here, it does come with the 2000 lumens brightness for white and colored. And looking at the resolution of this is 1280 by 800, and it can definitely support up to 1080p, but the native resolution is 1280 by 800. I wish this had the 1080p. It would have been awesome to see. I will show you exactly why later. And also this can go up to 150 inches. So you're looking from 22 to 150 inches. Whenever it comes to like going higher than 100 inches with these projectors, usually they don't look good, but this one is different because this laser projector is actually very bright, and you can even go more than 100 inches for sure without any issues. Also, if you want to see the full specs, I'm gonna include those in the description below. Please see those. So we have everything set up right now, and you can definitely see the room is not too dark. There's still some sound outside, and I do have the blinds on. And it still looks nice and clear, and this is like a dark background, and right now everything is turned on. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is the actual projector menu here. So we see here under color mode, I have set it to cinema. So if I go ahead and change it to, we have like natural and even bright cinema. So in the cinema mode, I have gone ahead and changed the colors a little bit just so everything looks nice. And the light output, so right now I have it at high, so at 100%. So let's say I want to go at eco mode here. It does go a little bit darker, and also the fan noise gets way down. And then we do have the brightness, so you're able to adjust the brightness, contrast, gamma, and dynamic contrast. And we have the Epson super wide. So if you turn this on, it just looks better. Usually this one I would leave on because the blacks and the whites just pop out a little bit more. So let's go ahead, go back here. And then we also get the color adjustments here as well, which is nice. And going back down to sharpness, we have the sharpness, noise reduction, and let's go ahead and go to settings right now. So we have sound here. Volume is at 40. So if you want to max this out, so whenever you're turning the volume, you have this at max. And pretty much this shows you that you have your volume at max set up here. That doesn't mean your volume is always going to be at max when you play something. That you can adjust the volume on the other way. And then sound mode standard, so vocal, music, movie. Usually I leave it at standard because it sounds better. And the other cool thing is, let's say you want to connect another speaker here. So we have the Bluetooth option. So we can go ahead and connect a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker if you want to. But this one sounds actually amazing. So going down to the installation here. So this projector has some cool features which even some more expensive projectors don't, which I'm going to show right now. The keystone feature. So we got the normal keystone here. So which we can adjust the vertical and the horizontal keystone. And we also have the auto keystone, which I have it on at the moment, which it will do it by itself. But the cool thing is quick corner here. So this one is, many projectors don't have this option at all. So I'll show you exactly what this is. So let's just go ahead and hit enter here. So let's say a corner here is not looking good. Only one side doesn't look good. You're able to adjust it, as you can see here. So I'm gonna make it a perfect square now. And right now it looks perfect to me. So this, you're able to adjust every corner individually. So I'm able to adjust the top, even the top. So if I move it down, as you can see here, so it's making a perfect square. So you can leave your projector pretty much anywhere you want to, then go here and just adjust things as you would. So under the quick corner, let's say you want to reset something. Let's say on this right corner, you just go ahead and hold the return button for 2 seconds and it will go ahead and reset. And I can go ahead and switch to the horizontal and vertical keystone. So right now it's back to the way it was before. And on the installation part, we also have the zoom, which is a feature which I am using here because I do have it set at wide. So let's say you have your projector like way back or too close to your projector screen, you can go ahead and adjust the settings here so it fits perfect. So right now, let's say I just want to go up to here and leave it. Looks good to me for now. And we also have the projection. So we get the front upside down, rear upside down. So this is depends if you mount it in your ceiling, things like that. So let's go ahead and go back here. And the OSD rotation and high altitude mode. So going back here, we got the display next. So we got the welcome guide, message, startup screen, standby confirmation, picture demo mode, all this stuff. Not that relevant right now. And operation. So we do get the HDMI link here. It will tell you what's connected, what's not connected, because right now we have the Epson Android TV connected, so it will show that. So that's pretty much the settings. And right now we're looking at the Android TV here and looking at the actual settings of the Android TV. Here you will be able to connect your Wi-Fi, connect your Google. So pretty much your standard Google TV functions. So just a quick look on YouTube here. Everything opens up pretty quickly, even Netflix and everything opens up very good. So there's no really need to put other sources here because you're getting everything in one box, the speaker, the Android TV, and pretty much no need to buy anything else or hook up anything else because everything is included, which is very nice to see. So right now what I'm able also to do is directly from my smartphone. Let's say I want to go ahead and stream a TV show. I can just go ahead and cast it to the projector here. And it does it very quickly, which is very nice. So right now we're gonna go ahead and just listen and see how loud the speaker is. So I'm just gonna put it at max volume and you can hear for yourself.
No, they're just outside.
I want you to call them into your office right now, General.
Who put this here?
Listen to me very carefully. Okay, I'm on my way over there. General Stefan? General Stefan.
So looking at the actual picture and sound quality, sounds and looks great. And looking at the colors, I've had to do a little bit adjustments here and there because out of the box, the colors seem a little bit off. So you might have to do the color adjustment a little bit by yourself. That's the only thing, but everything else looks good. And let's say you're putting the projector a little bit further away. Obviously the text is gonna get a little bit pixelated because this is a native resolution. It's not 1080p. It's pretty much like a 720p projector here. But if it's like up to like 75, 80-inch screen, definitely you're not going to have like any problems reading the text or anything like that. So even the small text, we can go ahead and read fine here, which is nice. So like looking at this text here, like as the screen goes bigger, obviously this is going to get a little bit more pixelated. So that's why sometimes it's better to invest and probably just spend a little bit extra cash so you can get that 1080p resolution in there, which is better. So my final thoughts on this laser projector here. Pretty much it offers everything you need. Just ready to go and go ahead and watch any movie. No need to plug in extra HDMI like other sources or anything like that, because pretty much you get the Android TV built in and you don't really need to hook up anything. Also, the speaker sounds good too. It has like some bass to it as well, and it's really loud too, which is awesome to see on this like small box here. And this also offers 2000 lumens, which is bright considering the size of this. And also this is a laser projector too, which is a big plus there as well. And in the back, you're able to remove the cover. Let's say you want to input some other HDMI source, you can definitely do that. But I don't really see the point because you already get the Android TV like built in here. You can also like mirror your phone to this as well if you want to, and you get all the things you get on an Android TV, which is pretty cool to see. So looking at some of the downsides of this EF-100 projector is the heat it generates. If it's at full brightness, it tends to generate a little bit of heat here with the fans, and the fan noise is not too loud. Let's say you have a movie playing and the speakers, like, you won't be able to really hear it. So that's the good part, but it does tend to generate a little bit of heat here. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, if you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to turn the notifications on. I will see you guys on the next video.